My name is Session Cruz. I toured the country as a recording artist before working in the music industry for over 2 decades, most notably for Kanye West. I'm the founder of DEMU, a suite of tools that empower music professionals to directly manage their music business. I have 2 Project Catalyst proposals. You see, for the creator, building a community on a music platform today is like building a home on rented land. At any time, the rules you spent years building your community on can be changed with a line of code without your consent. That's where DEMU steps in. We're crafting tools that will enable musicians worldwide to build their own community of supporters and earn a living from their passion, making music. This includes artists in developing countries who have long been ignored by these new technologies. Our first product is the DEMU Jukebox. Fans can buy music, building a direct relationship with the artist they support. An artist can be their own bank, streaming platform, and record store all in one. You can look at it like Shopify for musicians, right? As a music professional, simply upload your music, configure your royalties, and link all contributors. A smart contract on the blockchain is generated with the instructions to auto-distribute royalties every time you sell your music. Our business model is to charge a fee for every transaction processed on the jukebox. We're basically building fintech for music. I formed a strong team, then pitched to hundreds of, of Cardano community to a Project Catalyst that our proposal was both technically and commercially viable, and we raised $100,000 in Fund10 to build an MVP. The DEMU Jukebox is the first step on our roadmap. We'll grow a database of songs with built-in instructions for paying royalties where unsigned artists can become their own music platform. This growing repository of music evolves into the DEMU protocol, which is basically a music marketplace, which makes content available for license to businesses for other purposes. So every song uploaded to DEMU multiplies the earning potential for the artist, right? For this reason, along with the myriad other benefits of managing IP on the blockchain, we believe that we can attract major labels to also offer their music on the DEMU protocol. This will result in the increased adoption of Cardano and the on-chain transaction volume that results, leading to increased value of ADA. So basically, to unpack all that, the DEMU Jukebox is basically B2C. If you think of the artist as a business, then they can offer their music directly to their fans, B2C, right? And the DEMU protocol is B2B, enabling artists to offer their music for license to other music businesses, right? And so, we're building we're building the backbone of the music industry. We don't compete with any music startups. Instead, we support them. The DEMU protocol makes it easy to one-click license content and generate revenue with the administrative burden of paying royalties already solved for these music businesses. And the rights holders, the artists, are always in control of the license of their IP. So every app that plugs into the DEMU protocol multiplies the earning potential of every artist on DEMU. I was an artist during a time when the internet was transforming the music industry. I've seen this movie before, and our CTO has 30 years of experience on distributed systems and cryptography. Our CFO used to work at IOG, and she designed our tokenomics. We have a team passionate about Web3 and the problems that we're solving.